Welcome student. In this session we are going to see unit 2 algae. Module name is economic importance of algae with special reference to food. Module number is 32 and myself Sushma Salgaonkar, assistant professor in Ganpat Parsekar College of Education, Harmal, Goa. So the outlines for this module are economic importance of algae, edible algae, and in this we are going to see algae as a food and algae as a feed and fodder. Learning outcomes, they are as follow: explains economic importance of algae, identifies freshwater and marine algae as food for humans, identifies freshwater and marine algae as feed and fodder for animal. In this we are going to see economic importance of algae in different fields such as in industry, in agriculture, in medicine, as a source of energy, in research, in sewage disposal, in pollution control and edible algae. We are going to focus mainly on edible algae. So, algae as a food, spirulina or Arthospira species which belongs to blue-green algae used throughout the world. It is used as a food product in making smoothies. It is used as a diet food. Nutritional values like protein 60 to 71%, carbohydrate 13 to 16%, lipid 6 to 7%, vitamins like B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, E and K, minerals copper, iron, sodium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, zinc, phosphorus and selenium. Next is Chlorella species, green algae, it belongs to green algae used throughout the world. It is used as a food product same like spirulina, that is used as a diet food. Then nutritional values like proteins 45%, carbohydrate 20%, lipid 20%, vitamin A, B, C, K, minerals 10%, fiber 5%. Next is Ulva lactuca, which is also known as a sea lettuce, belongs to green alga which is used in countries like Scotland and Europe. It is used as a food product as a green salad and in soup, used as a stir fried, dry powder, etc. Then nutritional values like proteins, carbohydrate and lipid, vitamin, minerals and dietary fiber are present. So, protein 12.9%, carbohydrate 64.2%, lipid 1.20%, vitamin A, B12, C and niacin, minerals like iron, iodine, magnesium, calcium and phosphorus, dietary fiber is 31%. Next is Caulerpa lentilifera, which is a sea grape, belongs to green algae, used in countries like Mactan Island, Cebu in central Philippines and Japan. It is used as a food product in fresh salad, snacks, etc. Nutritional values like protein 12.49%, carbohydrate 59%, mineral phosphorus, magnesium, copper, potassium, iodine, manganese, sodium and calcium. Next is Saccharinella latissima or Laminaria saccharinella, which is also known as sugar kelp, belongs to brown algae. It is used in countries like Japan, Europe and America. Food product like royal kombu is prepared from Saccharinella. It is also used for the preparation of fish and meat. It is used as vegetable with rice in preparation of nabe, which is a Japanese pot dish, and to make soup stock dashi, which is a broth made up of heating water with containing kombu. It is used as a dried and shredded or fresh and or pickled in vinegar. Nutritional values: proteins 6 to 26%, carbohydrate 57%, lipid 1.1%, vitamin like A, B1, B2, B6, C and E, minerals like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and iodine. Next is Undaria pinnatifolia or wakame or sea mustard, belongs to brown algae, used in countries like Japan, Korea, China. It is also spread throughout the through ballast water to France, New Zealand and Australia. It is used as a food product in salad, soups, Japanese side dish such as miso soup, sunomono salad. Sunomono is a vinegared food product. It is also used in instant food such as noodles and soups. Nutritional values: protein 23%, carbohydrate 51%, lipid 4.5%, vitamin A, C, E, K, niacin, minerals like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, cobalt, iron, nickel and zinc. It has a dietary fiber 16 to 51%. Next is Alaria esculenta, which is also known as debblelock or winged kelp, belongs to brown algae. It is used in countries like Ireland, Scotland, France, Norway, Canada, Russia, Japan and Greenland. Food product like protein drink, chips, salad used in miso soup, and it has a chicken like flavor which is cooked with rice. Then nutritional values: proteins 9 to 20%, carbohydrate 46 to 51%, lipid 1 to 2%, vitamin A, B, C, K, minerals like iron, iodine, magnesium, calcium, zinc, sodium, potassium and phosphorus. It has an antioxidant which is fucoxanthin and dietary fiber is 31%. Next is Porphyra tenera, or it is also known as a purple laver, that is a red algae, used in countries like Japan, China, Korea, UK, USA, Canada, Europe, New Zealand. Food product like nori, amanori, zikai, jim, zikai or laver or korengo. You can prepare sushi with the help of nori sheets. Then nutritional values, proteins 35%, carbohydrate 40 to 45%, lipid 0.7 to 1.3%, vitamins like B and C, minerals sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron and iodine. It has a dietary fiber of 12 to 35%. Next is Palminiria palmata or Rhodymania palmata, which is also known as red dulls, belongs to red algae, used in countries like Ireland, Iceland, Scotland and France. Food product like a salty confection is prepared, which is also known as dulls, used as a raw, dried, toasted, smoked or fried, or sometimes it is seasoned in soups or on vegetable. Then nutritional values like proteins 8 to 35%, then carbohydrate 46 to 56%, lipid 0.7 to 3%, vitamin A, C, D, E, K, minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, potassium, sodium and iron is present. This high iron is important for pregnant women and anemic patient. Next is Chondrus crispus, which is also known as Irish moss, belongs to red alga, used in countries like Ireland, Iceland, USA, Europe and Japan. Food product is gelatinous carbohydrate is used in pudding making, which is known as black mange, and then jam, jellies used as a thickener in soup and stews, etc. Nutritional values like proteins 11 to 21%, carbohydrate 55 to 68%, lipid 1 to 3%, vitamin B2, B6, B9 and C, minerals copper, iron, sodium, iodine, sulfur, magnesium, then zinc, potassium and phosphorus. So, next is algae as a feed and fodder. This is the difference between feed and fodder. The feed defines it is an act of giving food specially to the animals, that to herbivores, and fodder is any agricultural food stuff usually specifically given to domesticated livestock such as cattle, rabbit, sheep, horses, chicken, which includes hay, straw, grains and legumes, etc. Now, the economic importance of algae as a feed and fodder. It provides nutritious fodder for cattle, sheep, goat, pig and poultry, higher quality milk with high butter and fat content. Chicken fed on this produces egg with high iodine, carotene and omega 3 fatty acid. Spirulina is used as a feed additive in Japanese fish farming or aquaculture. Next is valuable feed supplement or substitute for the conventional proteins as a source conventional protein source such as soybean meal, fish meal, etc. It improves immunity and gut function, increases the lipid metabolism and the rate of fertility, makes the skin healthier in chicken. It lowers the cholesterol level in blood and subsequently in the egg yolk. This is the Ascophyllum species and Fucus species which is used in countries Norway, Denmark, France, New Zealand, USA for cattle as fodder. This is the Sargassum species used in China as a fodder, Rhodymania species which is used in France as a fodder. This is Laminaria species used in Norway, Denmark, France, New Zealand, USA for cattle as fodder. It is used in Great Britain, France, Pacific coast of USA for sheep as fodder and chicken as feed. References. Thank you.